It's a woodpecker. I don't know if you can see it very well. It's hard to hold the camera steady. There we go. Hard to hold the camera steady when I got it zoomed all the way out like this. Plus I'm holding the camera up high. So my poor little arms are going to get tired very soon. There he goes. Get out where we can see you, dude. That's the trouble with these birds. They like to go around to the wrong side of the tree. Makes it very hard getting a picture. See, this is how far back I am. Seems to have calmed down a bit now. Must have found something good to eat.